Hey, boys and girls, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Super excited about what we are doing, which is getting into bigger numbers like 11, 12, 13, all the teen numbers. Okay? So, this is big stuff and it's very exciting. Um, what I want you to be seeing in these numbers, okay, this is my goal for you this week, and your teachers will be helping you with this is to see these numbers as 10 and some more. So for example, if I show you 10, okay, I have 10 fingers up, and then one more, that gives me how much? 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, okay, is also known as 10 and one more. In some languages, the number 11 is actually called 10, 1, because it's 10 and one more. Okay? For example, what if I did 10 and two more? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is 10 and two more. Okay? Let's do a much bigger number. What if I had 10 and 8 more? 10 and 8 more. Okay? So I have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 8 more would give me 18. Okay? So let's take a look at it on our mat here. I'm going to show you. Okay. So it looks like this. You have this in your packet. You should. You don't have to get it right now, but in a minute you will. So we know these are 10 frames, right? So I'm going to fill up this 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we know that's 10. We don't have to count them anymore because we know that if you fill a 10 frame, it's 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what if I put in, say, 10 and 3 more? Okay, so this time I'm going to put 3 more. I'm going to make them yellow just to show it better, okay? So I have 10 and 3 more is how much? Well, let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13. 10 and 3 more is 13. Okay? So what if we kept going? If we only had one more, we'd have 11. We did 11. We did 12 with our fingers, and then we just did 13. Okay, let's do another one. 14 is 10 and 4 more. 15 is 10 and 5 more. 16 is 10 and 6 more. 17 is 10 and 7 more. 18 is 10 and 8 more. 19 is 10 and 9 more. And 20, look at this, is 10 and 10 more. We filled up both 10 frames and got 20. 10, 20. If we had another 10 frame, how much would that be if it was filled up? 10, 20, 30, and then 40, and then on and on. But we're not doing that today. We're just sticking to the numbers between like 11 and 20, okay? All right, so here's what I would like you, that's right, you, not you, but you to do, okay? I want you to get the following materials. You need your dry erase sleeve, okay, that you put your papers into. You need the paper that says 10 and blank more is blank. You need your red and yellow counters. And you need, you need your marker and eraser. And if you have So yeah, so get that, and if you have one of your dice, okay, um, actually get this materials first, and then I'll get you and then I'll tell you what the rest is. Okay, so pause the video. You can just hit the little space bar or hit the two, white lines. So pause it, go get your materials, and then come back. All right, so here's what I would like you to do. You have all your materials. I would like you to make sure that you put your paper inside your dry erase sleeve, okay? And then I want you to take your counters and fill up this 10 frame with red on the red side, okay? So just like I'm doing right here. So you should have it inside your dry erase sleeve, and you should have your paper inside of it, and you want to fill up this 10 frame with your counters, okay? And you have your marker and eraser ready to go. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add some more to 10. Now there's one of two ways that you can do it. One of two ways. You can either take one of your dice and roll it, okay, or I put in, you should have a spinner that looks like this. It says 1 to 9 spinner. All right, so the benefit of this is it gives you numbers 7, 8, and 9, whereas the dice only goes up to 6. That's fine. If you don't have the spinner, or you don't want to use it, that's fine. But in order to make it work, you need a paper clip, any paper clip, and a pen or a pencil. So what you do is you put the pencil right in the middle. You see that? So that the paper clip is stuck there between it, okay? And then I'm going to go like this, all right? And I'm going to spin it. And it landed on 3, okay? Or it might land on 9. Okay, so you can choose which way you want to do it. I'm going to use the spinner the first time. So here we go. And here we go. Oh, it landed on 3. Okay, so what I do is this. I'm going to add 3 more to the 10 that I already have. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to write 10 and 3 more is 13. So I'm going to write that number 13. So I have 10 and 3 makes 13. Okay? Now once I do that, I'm going to take my eraser and erase it. And take these off. And do it again. This time I'll use one of my dice. Okay? I'm going to roll it. Ooh, I got, how much is that? I got a 5. So now I'm going to put down 5 more. I'm going to do it in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So then up here I see that 10 and 5 more is, how much is that? Let's see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to write down 15 right there. Okay? All right. So that's how this works. All right? I'll do one more just to make sure you understand. And then I want you to do this for maybe like 10 or 15 minutes. So maybe do it like, do it like several times. Okay? It's good practice for you. I'm going to take this off. Should I do the dice or the spinner? Let's do the spinner this time again. I like the spinner. Okay. So if you don't have a paper clip, you could also take your dice and just roll it and see where it lands, right? It landed on a 3, even though it's showing a 2. Right? You could go like that. Oh, I missed. Oh, that time it landed on an 8. You could do that. But I have a paper clip, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to get my pen, put it right in the middle, and here we go. Ooh, it's right on the line between 6 and 7. So I could choose 6 or 7, but I'm going to redo it because it's literally right on the line. Okay. Oh, this time it's more on the 4. So I'm going to do 4. Okay. So I'm going to, I have my 10 already there. I'm going to add 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to write down 10 and 4 more is, Well, let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? So, boys and girls, you do need to know how to count to 20. That's why we've been doing a lot of that these past few weeks, is a lot of counting to 20. So you can go, oh, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then you would write that down. Okay? So play this game on your own. Maybe one of your parents wants to play with you for like 10 or 15 minutes. Okay? Have fun with it. You can play it as much as you want, anytime that you want. And maybe explain it to your parents so they can see it too. Okay? It's when you explain something to somebody else, you actually learn it better yourself. Right? When you actually teach somebody else. That's why I got so good at math, is I kept teaching my students and then I kept learning it. So go figure, right? All right, boys and girls, be good, be kind, be safe, and I will see you very soon. Okay, bye-bye.